Hi everyone, I am Sandeep Kumar, pursuing ECE final year in Pratisha Engineering College. Today I am going to discuss about RPA. RPA abbreviated as Robotic Process Automation. Let's go into an RPA. RPA is a robotic process automation which is an advanced technology. What is RPA? Robotic process is a use of software which artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities to handle high volume repeatable tasks that previously required human to perform. These tasks can include queries, calculations, and maintenance of records and translation. RPA's technology is also known as BOT, which minimize the human works and logging into applications, entering data, calculations, and completing tasks and logging out. RPA software is not part of an organization IT infrastructure. Instead, it sits on top of it, enabling a company to implement the technology quickly and efficiently, all without changing the existing infrastructure and system. Evolution of RPA. The term RPA, robotic process automation, can be traced to the earlier 2000s. It has been developing there number of years previously. Robotic process automation can trace to the earlier 2000s. It has been developing from number of years previously. RPA involved from three key technologies such as screen scraping, workflow automation, artificial intelligence. First, screen scraping is the process of collecting screen display data from a legacy application so that the data can be displayed by a more modern user interface. The second is workflow automation. The advantages of workflow automation software, which eliminates the need for human manual data entry and increasing order fulfillment rates, include increased speed, efficiency, and accuracy. And finally, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence involves ability of computer system to perform tasks and normally requires human intervention and intelligence. And the next, applications of RPA. There are top 6 applications of RPA have been given: customer service, accounting, financial services, healthcare, human resource, supply chain management. The first, customer service. RPA can help companies offers better customer service by automatic contact saver tasks, including verifying e-signatures, uploading scanned documents, and verifying information for automatic approval or rejection. Accounting. Accounting occurs. Organizations can use robotic process automation for generally accounting, operational accounting, transactional reporting, and budgeting. Financial service. Financial service, the RPA of companies is in the financial service. Industries can use RPA for foreign exchanging payments, automating account openings and closings, managing audit requests, and processing insurance claims. Healthcare. Medical organization can use RPA for handling patient records, claims, customer support, account management, billing, reporting, and analysis. For this, healthcare can use robotics. Human resources. RPA can automatic task of HR task, which includes onboarding and offboarding. The employee which update the RPA which update the employee information and timesheet submission processes. At last, supply chain management. Robotic process automation can be used for automating order processing and payments monitoring inventory levels and tracking shipments. These are the main topmost applications of the robotic process automation. Next is benefits of robotic process automation. The most benefits of robotic process automation is robotic process automation technology can help organizations on their digital transformation like on through enabling better customer service, ensuring business operations and processing with regulation and standards, allowing process to be completed more rapidly, providing improvement efficiency by digitized and auditing process data, creating cost saving for manual and repetitive tasks, enabling employees to be more productive. And such benefits are improved employee morale, productivity, reliability, consistency, non-invasive technology, compliance, low technical barriers, accuracy. Improved employee morale. Workers can dedicate more time to complete their work with interest. Productivity. Process cycle time are much faster compared to manual process approaches. Reliability, which the work won't stop 24/7 without interruption. Consistency, routine tasks are performed the same way each and every time. Non-invasive technology, no disruption to underlying legacy system, reducing the burden on IT field. Compliance, both follow regulatory compliance rules to a T and provide a audit retail history. Low technical barriers, no programming skills necessary to configure to boards. Accuracy, extreme accuracy and uniformity, most less prone to errors, which these are the benefits of robotic process automation. Main key benefits of robotic process automation is increased degree of flexibility, enhanced scaling of solution, improved levels of agility, increased efficiency and compliance, enhanced management capability, improved customer experience. The next is the main six steps of robotic process automation, which are your virtual employee and no physical robot, time to market within a few weeks, use your existing application, no exchange in your existing infrastructure need, document every step consistently. These are the main six steps of robotic process automation. Through that, there are four main robotic spectrums are virtualized, which is integrated desktop, process automation, digital or virtual assistant, cognitive computing or automatic solutions. The first, integrated desktops. The integrated desktops which use for consolidating data from multiple sources into a single view to complete a process. The processing automation is used to apply the technology to manipulate existing application software to complete a process. Digital or virtual assistant. Computer generates character, which a computer can generate a character which simultaneously a conversation to answer the question or queries which provide by their guidelines by seeing digital or virtual assistant. Cognitive computing or automatic solutions. These solutions can taken by the situations based system that gain knowledge from data as experience which have been entered data that is their knowledge and applying what it's learning in upcoming situations. These are the four main robotics spectrums. Let's see the big difference between RPA and regular automation. Which RPA from traditional IT automation. The traditional IT automation It is the ability of the RPA software to be aware and adapt to changing circumstance, exception, and new situations. Once RPA software has been trained to capture and interrupt the action of specific processes in the existing software applications that can be manipulate data, triggering response, initiative new actions, and communicate the other system autonomously. The RPA software is particularly useful for organizations that have many different and complicated systems that need to interact together fluidly. Which, let's take electronic product. Let's assume electronic product which the human resource system is missing a zip code. A zip code is the main part of the electronic product. The traditional automation software will flag the form have the exception, and an employee will handle the exception by looking up the correct zip code and entering in on it form. Once the form is completed, the employee might send in onto payroll, so the information can be entered in the organization payroll system. With RPA technology, however, software that has the ability to adapt, self-learn, and self-corrected will handle the exception and interact with the payroll system without human assistant. This work may done by RPA. Robotic process automation can do a work without human assistant. Next topic is RPA tools. There are many RPA tools are present. Let's see top three most RPA tools such as Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism, and UiPath. Let's see Automation Anywhere. Automation Anywhere is a function which used into a RPA. Robotic process automation can works like Automation Anywhere, UiPath, Blue Prism. Let's see Automation Anywhere. Automation Anywhere provides an enterprise digital workforce platforms geared towards proceed to pay, to cash, HR, claim processing, and other bank office processes. And then Blue Prism. Blue Prism is a function of RPA which focus on providing organization in related industries with more ugly virtual workforce offering desktop alignment. Robots are can define and manage centrally. Finally, UiPath. UiPath is a function of RPA which used as tool for RPA. UiPath offers an open platform to help organization efficiently automatic business process. The UiPath is useful for business purpose, which robotic process automation will help for business processes. The next topic is what we look for in RPA softwares. There are many softwares like the software will look for it such scalability, speed, reliability, simplicity, intelligence, enterprise scales. First, scalability. Of when enterprise leaders look for RPA technologies, that should be have a number of things like a scalability. Organizations should select RPA software that requires them to deploy software robots to desktop or virtualized environment. They should look for RPA platform that can be centralized, managed, and scale massive. Next, speed. Enterprise should be able to design and test new robots process in a few hours or less, as well as optimize to board to work quickly. These are the speed of the RPA. Reliability, which the reliability helps the company launches robot to automate 100 or even 1,000 tasks to the robot. Simplicity. Organizations should look for products that are simply enough that any employee need to business can build and use them to handle very kind of works. including collection of data and turning content into information that enable leaders to make the best business decisions. Intelligence. The best RPA tools can support simple task-based activities, read and write to any data source, and take advantage of more advantage learning to future improvement of automation. Enterprise class. Companies should look for tools that are built for the ground up for enterprise. Great scalability, reliability, and manageability. These are the main looks of the RPA softwares. Next, head market of robotic process automation. Let's see the head market of robotic process automation. The global market report expect the RPA market to reach $5 million by 2024. Increased adoption of RPA technologies by organizations to enhance their capabilities and performance, boost cost saving will rapidly drive the growth of the robotic process automation market much during that time. And let's say a simple example about RPA. Robotic process automation is a technology that developed after the 2000 period. In earlier days, they have did every works through manually, like ticket counter, related to bank, such things all done by manually, a manpower, which that manpower is overcome by RPA, robotic process automation. These are the simple example for robotic process automation. Thank you.